weather is not the best today. But ni sawa tu. Quite cloudy. But yeah. Just new. Oops. Good morning. Another beautiful day. Another long walk with the one and only. It gets creepy sometimes when people just pop out of the bush, as in mumetoka, but we move regardless. I think you're in a good profile. Hiya. I think I had zoomed in a bit too much. Much better. Are you recording though? Oh yes, we are. It's another beautiful Friday morning. Yikes. Enjoying a very peaceful walk with my sister. Say hi. Hajamuka ama hataki msikie sauti yake mrembo, but you know, we move. She says you're not worthy of her voice on my vlog, but it's okay. It's alright. This is the view. Oh, stunning! Let me zoom in. But yeah, if I see anything interesting, highly unlikely, I'll bring you on. Righty. We are halfway through our walk. We're just strolling. Kuna pressure mingi. But yeah, this is where we are at now. Spot the tea picking machine if you can. Almost done.
Much later.
Sorry. Bracelet or a phone charm? I think I'll do phone charm. Black. Pink.
Lift up your hand if they have gotten it wrong. Yeah. Which group is that? What is the name? Oh. So, Rocky has gotten it wrong. What was the answer? He said Spain.
The next day.
Your nails looks weak.
They?
Your nails
Uh-huh.
looks weak.
Yeah, they are. I'm constantly doing a gel.
But you will put, why is it they don't advise you to put the hardener? Yes.
I have no
To
idea.
make them to be strong.
strong.
Yeah. Like us, there's something we apply before we put the gel.
Okay.
So to prevent the
The
nail. Yeah.
weakening.
Yeah.
It's okay.
And then it depends the way they remove the gel also. Because like
Most of the time, my nail tech normally just does that. They don't soak.
they don't soak.
Yeah.
They don't use even magic.
Much later.
What a day. I'm feeling exhausted, but I haven't really been up too much. I basically, as you have seen, went and did my nails. The end result, I got a shade of brown, apparently. It's called something brown, I've forgotten. I'll insert the name here when I find it. But yeah, I got it done in matte. You guys, nilichapwa bili ingine hapo. I was just like, you know what, when did nails become this expensive? And I basically had a manicure and a pedicure and had gel done. It's good I refused. I was about to have my eyebrows threaded as well, but I was just like, you know what, I'll come back in the course of the week. Will I go back? They're a bit overpriced. I don't think I would. I was charged a shocking amount. I can't even say it. But in case you'd like to go and get your nails done, I was charged a whooping 30,000 cash shillings just to get my manicure and pedicure. I think that's a bit overpriced. That's not using or spending money wisely, if you ask me, especially when you have so many things to do. But yeah, in the house now, I've had lunch. I've had some leftover chicken curry and naan. I'm now having a Swiss roll that's I'm about to finish as I watch something on YouTube. That's how I remembered I need to come on here and sign off. And I'll see you in the next vlog. I'll be doing a lot of home vlogs. I don't think I'll be traveling anytime soon, not until November. So yeah, I hope, let me know what you think about this particular vlog. If you'd like for me to continue vlogging in this format, well and good. If not, yeah, unless unaanzisha hapo pay bill ya kunilipia to travel, send money to my M-Pesa, wink wink. Yeah, I don't think I'll be traveling anytime soon. So, adios, see you, bye.
The next day.
Tell me why it hasn't been hasn't been 24 hours and I already need to go get my nails redone. This was supposed to be matte, and as you can see, it's already peeling. As in, what is that? And for the price I paid, Nanuma, it is definitely totally not worth it. Therefore, totally not worth it at all. So I want to head back to the salon where I got them done to have them redone. And yeah, wish me luck. I'm tired, yeah. I'm pissed. I'm tired. I'm sick. I have a sore throat. That's why I'm talking the way I'm talking. I have a nasty sore throat. I don't know if it's the ice cream I had usiku. Should be that has cost me a good one. But yeah. See you when I get to the nail parlor.
Much later.
I'm back. My nails are well done. So now I just want to cook supper, even though I'm not feeling so well. Yeah, let me make some pineapple chicken. The way I am feeling, I have literally had to make myself a cup of cinnamon, turmeric, lemon juice, honey, of course, something else I don't remember. Oh, rosemary and bay leaf to try soothe my throat. But we might as well start making the recipe. The pineapple is right here, so I might as well begin.
Several days later.
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So my name is Agnet. I do mostly travel content, and I am now doing home living entertainment, I guess, which will be loading up soon. I can't promise when, because if you've been here long enough, you know I do love to procrastinate. This beautiful morning, it's a Thursday morning. What's the date? What's the date? Give me a sec. The 20th of November. There you go. I'm currently in Eldoret at a place called Blueberry Villas. It's a homestay. They do have different villas, whether it's a 2-bedroom, a 1-bedroom. I think they have a 3-bedroom, I'm not too sure. But I'm staying in one of the villas. It's called the Ark. Currently just seated and basking in the sun after having had breakfast. The thing I love about this place is the food. Gosh, the food is so good. And it just feels like home away from home. No noise, quite relaxed. The security is good. They do offer cleaning services, so in as much as I cleaned their house, or rather in as much as I tried to spread the bed early in the morning, I've been told quite a number of times by my sister and my partner that I do not know how to spread a bed, which is a bit, I know how to spread a bed, but not in the level they'd love for me. Not in the level really, but not in the way they spread their beds. So they did do the cleaning services and the spread the bed, and just the general maintenance of this place is top notch. So I would highly recommend, if you're coming to Eldoret and you're looking for a place to stay. No, this is not sponsored. Just putting it out there for anyone who might be interested. It's a good place to relax, unwind, and just take a breather from the busy city life of Nairobi. They do have very good facilities. I think there's a conference area. They have a swimming pool as well, and they also offer spa services. If you need a massage, a facial, all of that, they provide that as well. So let me go back to doom scrolling and just doing some research on a few things here and there. As you all know, the year is about to end, and you basically take time to reflect about your goals for the next year and whatnot, especially for me since it was my birthday just last week. Yeah, I just done one whole year, beginning another year as well, and I love to take time and just reflect on my goals, what I want to do differently from the previous years, and yeah, basically begin thinking about my 2026 goals and just being grateful for life. There are a lot of people who are losing loved ones and my heart goes out to them, but it just makes you...
Tuna vitu vingi sana. Huyu nani? Who is this guy?
Tuachane nayo boda boda.
Why?
Boda boda.
Why between my interview you're passing around? I hate you.
Tuachane nayo.
You be grateful for life and makes you really reflect that no one is promised tomorrow, so you better make the most of what you have of the day. If you've lost a loved one or you're going through loss, my heart goes out to you. I offer my deepest sympathies because I know yeah, it's just one of those things. But yeah, without further ado, let me go on about my day and I'll probably show you the house again now that it has been cleaned. I'll just sit here and just enjoy the sun, the beautiful sun, and as I do my research. So, bye. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe to my channel. It gives me motivation. There are more people coming on board and it just makes me feel like it's worth it. I know I procrastinate, but yeah, you guys are manipulating motivation. So if you tell a friend to tell a friend and have them come on board, I'll really appreciate that. And let's build this channel. So we are on the road to 2K subscribers. I need 500 more people to jump on board as we continue growing this beautiful channel of ours. So yeah, love you a minute. Bye.